Hi there, and welcome back to my channel, Full Stack Explorers. As you know, in the last video, we will work on remove item and the cart page functionality. In today's video, we will work on subtotal, or total of collective products. Let's get started now. Scroll down a bit. This section will be used to show total. Alright, now let's create a method above. The method name will be calculate total price. Now create a new variable named total. In this method, we will use reduce method to get the total of all products. The reduce method will count each product price and make a total of it. Alright, now create a state above, which will hold the total value from the method. Pass the total to the set total state. Below that, we will store the total on local storage too. We will get the total from local storage when we need it in the checkout page. Now create a use effect below. In this use effect, we will call the calculate cart total method and pass cart products as dependency. Alright, now scroll below and remove the static value and add curly bracket here. Within curly bracket, pass the total here. So whenever the product add or remove, the total will be updated on real time like cart icons count. Let's check the changes in the browser now. Alright, click on cart icon. Remove one item. As you can see, the price is changing real time too. Great, it's working as expected. In the next video, we will work on final functionality, which is create order. That's it for now. I'll see you guys in the next videos now. Happy coding!